Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Smartsheet and Monday.com. The first thing I'm going to talk about is the main benefit of both of these products. Then I will talk about the pricing and features, and then summary of the whole video. So let's start. If I should label both of these sites or both of these products with one word, Smartsheet would be complexity and Monday.com would be simplicity. What do I mean by that? If you're someone who, and if you have a team with people and that you want to connect multiple sheets with each other, right? That you want to create a different formulas and have a live charts that you can show in a meeting how something is working out for you and yada yada, Smartsheet is a wonderful tool for you. But if you're looking for the simplicity, I would definitely go with the Monday.com. With a simple project management tool, Monday.com is the best choice. If you don't want to struggle with formatting, if you don't want to struggle with multiple sheets and connecting the sheets, but it's really up to you and your team, what do you seek and what do you actually want. About the pricing now, if you would compare Monday.com pricing with a Smartsheet, let me show you, is that you get in Smartsheet the individual per month, you have 30-day trial that you can try it out, and then you have business one and enterprise. But we are going to focus on a standard right now. So individual, free users, connect Smartsheet to your favorite apps. Then when you would scroll down, you would see reports, grand calendar card, and grid views. You got also this on Monday.com. But what I really like is about business. Yes, it's €22 a month. But if you would choose for automation and reporting for business in Smartsheet, is you had view real-time data with live charts. This is, for me, this is huge. And it can be really huge benefit in meetings. Then you get user and system administrations that you can manage project resources, groups, users. Then you can integrate with Tableau, Excel, Click, Spotfire, and yes, I mean Smartsheet is a wonderful tool. If I would be someone who loves to create I don't know, a lot of formulas, connect multiple sheets with each other, sales with marketing, with CRM, then I would like to let's say I've got a whole tool that I want to how is the sales doing with how often we got customers in, or I got an e-commerce. This is perfect. But let's say that I have 5 designers or 5 developers and I just want to create 2, 3, 4 projects and I want to do them well and I want to do them simply. So actually my people don't need to actually learn how to use the program. I would definitely go with the Monday.com. And when we are going to talk about the Monday.com here, let me show you, is that you got, let's say 10 seats. Basic version or standard version or pro version, it's up to you what you actually want. If you want to have some integrations or dashboards. The standard is the most popular here. And let me show you what I like about the Monday.com. As I mentioned, the simplicity is the core thing here. That is much easier to use and learn comparing to Smartsheet, because in Smartsheet, let me show you, you can even group the columns. This is so fascinating. Many things are missing comparing to Google Sheet or Excel in Smartsheet. So this is something you will see and struggle with when you will work with Smartsheet. Now in Monday.com, you can add time tracking, you can add progress tracking. You can also have progress tracking here in and timeline in Smartsheet. Then you can connect multiple boards with each other if you want to. And another thing is here that you can use the Gantt chart, which is also available in Smartsheet. Then you get a Kanban here, and you can use it as a map, as a workload, as a form. Form you can create also in Smartsheet. But Smartsheet is winning in one thing, that you can create, let me show you, much more complex, create dashboards. This is same as Excel, that you can create nice graphs here. Let me show you. Add a widget, you can create a chart here. And financial month end, and you can simply choose things here, right? And you can create multiple charts. So this is something that Smartsheet got better comparing to Monday.com. Now, to summarize this whole video, because I don't know what else should I tell you, use Monday.com if you don't have a lot of people in your team and you want to simplicity. You can also use it when you have multiple people in team and multiple projects. It's possible. If you want simplicity, go with Monday.com. But if you want something more complex, if you want to play around with things, if you want to have automations and create it like these complex Excel sheets, go with the Smartsheet. So thank you very much, everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya. Goodbye, guys.